Hey guys, Nigali again with another video. So I will be making a cocktail stand basically. Yeah, for birthday parties, weddings. I will be using PVC pipes, 1 inch PVC pipes. So I will definitely be telling you the do's and the don'ts.
Came through dripping, diamonds on my wrist, they tripping.
Came through dripping, came through dripping.
So guys, this I've definitely finished the hard part, that is cutting the pipes. So now I will be putting the pipe together. I did put together some part of it already, so I'll just explain to you how I did it. I will leave in the description the measurements of everything, so you know how to cut it and what to cut. So this is basically this 3 T's, and as you can see, these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 inch, sorry, 6 1 feet, that is 12 inches 1 feet. So I just put them together like an eye. This is the flat foot, so I made 2 of these, right? I want to make sure that you can see me properly while I put them down. So let me fix this camera a little better. Okay, so this is 1. I think these are, I'm not sure of the feet, but as I said, I'll leave all the measurements in the description. So I'll be doing that, right? So guys, the thing is, with this backdrop, you can do it as wide as you want, but I do not advise you to do it too wide, because even when I was doing the 10 by 10 feet, I had to slit the middle to put a coupling in between, so you know you can store them and they're not too tall and you can store them. But it had a belly. Even without the coupling, it will have a belly because it will be too wide, and their pipes, they aren't really so strong. You understand? So you can't really do it too wide. If you're getting the tall table, I think this is almost the length of a tall table, yeah, or the same length as a tall table, this one. So it's best to go with this measurement that I have, and you don't want it too high, so this height would be definitely good. Listen, I cut a whole lot of pipes to get to this measurement. So when I'm telling you, I've been done made the 10 by 10 feet, and I had to cut some pipes. I even cut my fingers. I had to cut some pipes down to get the measurement that I needed, that would stand firm when it's put together. So I'll be putting the next piece, which is, and I'll advise you, when you buy the pipes, try and ask them at the hardware to cut the pipes for you, because if they bend the pipes, how they bend the pipes, for you to take it home, you'll have this. See this? And this is a problem for me, because I can't use this because I need them straight. I can't use this piece because I need them straight. So when you're buying the pipes at the hardware, you just walk with the measurements and ask them to just cut the measurements for you. I spent $3,700 in all for the couplings, the T, and the elbows, which I didn't need this much pipe. So I bet you will spend less for this, because I bought about 3 length, and I think one length is like about 19 feet, and I bought 3 length, which was way more than I needed. So you will most likely need 2 length. And at my hardware, I bought 1 length, which is 19 feet, for $900. So hopefully you will get it cheaper at your local hardware. So let me just pop this piece. See this piece straight and this piece is bent. That was my problem. That's definitely my problem. I have 2 more pieces to drop in. Hopefully those 2 pieces will hold, because they have a little bend, and I'll be using the coupling for those. So this is it. See, they're not so straight, so what I have to do is I had to cut them off, get the straightest piece off the pipe, because the rest of them was in worse condition. So I had to cut them. So I'm going to put it like this. This piece I will drop in the middle. You can see that it has a little swirl, because the pipes aren't straight. So as I said, make sure you don't let them bend your pipes. Ask them if you can pay like even $500 for them to cut the pipes for you. Let them cut the pipes for you. You can just tape them up together and move with them. This is a problem, so I have to clean it. Here we go. And there it is guys. I'm not sure how much feet this is, as I tell you, because I had to just improvise because I had my measurement, and when I cut them in my measurement, it definitely didn't work out. So this is the backdrop, guys. I don't know, you want to make it wider, maybe it can work, maybe it can work, maybe it won't work, I don't know. I have 2 more tall pieces. This is a 5 feet, and I guess it's the same feet as this, but as I said, I was doing it 10 feet wide and it had a belly. So guys, I'm so tired. I hope you like my video. Yeah, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and you will definitely see me upload the party where I will be doing the decoration with this backdrop stand, and this comes in handy for anyone to use. So thank you guys, bye.